Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do something a little different on my channel. I wanted to do a PR package unboxing. I'm sure you guys are aware by now that most bloggers receive PR packages in the mail from different brands, and I received one from NYX Cosmetics. So technically this video is sponsored but not sponsored because I was not asked to do this video. I'm doing it on my own. I've actually had these products laying around for a good 2 weeks now, and lots of times these products can start to build up. So in order for me to get through them, I decided to start doing PR package unboxing videos, and these are fairly new. I think I received this package 2 weeks ago. So I wanted to just do a quick unboxing and show you guys the stuff that I got in the mail and let you know how I feel about it. So here is what my box from NYX looks like. This is the NYX professional makeup box. I got this in the mail because they have a new line out called I Love You So Mochi, which I actually thought was really cute. So we're just gonna go through this stuff. Some of the stuff I have already used and opened. I like to just keep stuff in these PR package boxes because it makes my life so much easier, because clearly you can see my makeup situation back here is pretty full. So I tend to just keep all this stuff the way it came in order for me to know what I'm using. So let's get started. So the first products that I noticed in the box were the Love You So Mochi professional makeup eyeshadow palettes. So these are the Sleek and Chic. This one is called Sleek and Chic, and this one is called Electric Pastel. So basically these are pastel colors, and these are more like jewel toned colors. So I'm just gonna swatch them. I have not used these palettes yet on my eyes. I've just used their lip colors, just to be honest. I just wanted to show you guys like a first impression type of thing here. So this is what the palette looks like. It's very pretty. These are more jewel tone colors, and also you guys, they are shimmery, so they're not matte at all. So, well, there's one matte color in here actually. The rest are very shimmery. The next palette is this Pastels palette. This one stood out to me the most just because I thought the colors were so pretty and so bright. I mean, how gorgeous are these colors? And they're also very, very pigmented. I did swatch them on my Instagram, but I'm going to also swatch these on my hand or arm so you guys can see these as well, because I just thought that they were so pretty. The great thing about this palette is that it's affordable. NYX is such an affordable brand. You're not going to be spending a ton of money when you buy from NYX. This is the Arcade Glam highlighter palette. So here's what it looks like. I'm gonna open it up. Actually, I've never opened this one, so I don't know if I have. Okay, so don't do that. So here it is. These are like lighter color highlighters. I'm personally more of a darker highlighter girl just for my skin tone, but if you are of a lighter complexion, I feel like these would look amazing on you. For me, I'm not so sure, but I will show you guys. Oh wait, no, actually, does it have the color next to it? So it doesn't have color names, but if you guys can see that right there, that's this color. So truthfully, it's not so bad right there. So we'll do another one. It's this pink one. And then we'll do the white one, so you guys can see. The white one is very like iridescent. So, I mean, it does show up on my skin tone, but I'm just not a fan of colors this light. Personally, I like to go more on the gold, bronzy tones for highlighting my face. But, I mean, these aren't so bad. So that is the Arcade Glam highlighter palette. Alright, so now I'm going to jump into the other palette. This one is the I believe, what is it called? This is the Light Life. So this one is gold, like a yellow, and like a pink. So I'm gonna swatch these with my hand. Let's make sure my hand's dry because I just used the makeup wipe to wipe it off. So I'm just gonna start with this pink highlighter, which is sort of interesting because we're gonna do yellow. I'm gonna put yellow in the middle. Woo, that's pretty. And then we're gonna do this like gold color. So here are the 3 colors. Look at that. I'm gonna put them right under each other. See that? So pretty. So this is how they show up basically. Very, very pigmented. I don't know if you guys can see that this far back, but I just kind of want to show you from a distance and then close up. So yeah, they're super pigmented. I just took my finger and kind of rubbed it in and rubbed it on my hand. So it wasn't just like one light swipe, I would say, but it was enough to pick up the color. So yeah, these are very pigmented palettes too. Great for the price range. I will look up the price ranges and put them in the bottom bar for you guys because I don't know them off the top of my head. So we have the Powder Puff Lippies by NYX. They sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors. So we're gonna start with the ones that I have already opened. So I have not opened these, I'm gonna put these aside. So first I'm gonna start with Moody. This is the box, this is what Moody looks like. Let's find Moody. This is Pop Quiz, Best Buds. So this one is Moody. So this is a darker color, which I loved when I put it on. These go on very powdery and very light. I would say if you want like serious pigment, you're gonna have to go over it a couple times. They come with this like, I don't know what this is called. It's just like a fuzzy tip. It's almost like those pen markers you use when you're drawing. If you know what I'm talking about, if you're an artist. So you squeeze the amount of lip product that you want and you let it like kind of fill up in the little cushion thing, and then you just apply it to your lips. So I'm going to show you guys this color first. So they are pigmented, but I've noticed for myself I have to go over it a couple times. So this one was Moody. And then let's go into the other dark color that I have opened already. This one is Pop Quiz. I don't know if I've used Pop Quiz. See, no, I barely used it. I think I might have just tested it out. So here's what you're gonna do. I'm gonna squeeze the color. I'm gonna turn it like this. You can kind of see some of it coming out. And I'm just going to rub it. Ooh, this one's dark. Oh, this is pretty. Actually. Ooh. This is more of a like burgundy red. Very, very pretty color. And you guys, they dry and they stay. So that's one of the things. At first I was like unsure if they were gonna last, but they do last you all day. You might have to like reapply it maybe twice. If you're going out to eat, then clearly you're going to need to take it with you and reapply it. But if you're not really doing much, you're pretty much good because these are pretty pigmented and they go on so smooth. The next one is Best Buds. Just gonna swatch this one. I like this Best Buds one a lot for like daytime. If I'm just doing like a nice natural look, this lasts pretty long too. And then the next one after that is Squad Goals. So I have 4 more colors to show you guys, but these are the 4 that I kind of opened already and played around with. Squad Goals is more of a mauve color. So you guys can see that? Can you see that? Yeah. So they're very pigmented. So you guys can see. We have Squad Goals here on the end. So that's the mauve color. So now I'm gonna open the rest of these and we're gonna put them on. So I'll just wipe it off with my makeup wipe. I have not used this one yet, so I'm gonna have to let it sort of build up. See it coming out? Yeah, so just a little. You don't even need to let it build up that much. Oh, this is very red. This is pretty. Yeah, that's pretty. See that, you guys? That's a pretty red, right? Almost like fire engine red. Very, very pretty. It is Teenage Dream. I actually love the name of this. That's really cute because it's so pink and just reminds you of your like teenage years. Well, me anyway, I don't know anybody else, but for me it reminds me of that. So this is like a nice bright pink color. I just like to turn them this way when I'm trying to get the color out. There we go, it's starting to build up. You don't want to squeeze too much because you don't want to push out too much and then not use it. You're just swatching, so. This one is not as pigmented as the red one was, but you guys can see. See how pretty that is? That's Teenage Dream. So dope. Pretty, very pretty. The next one we're doing is called Puppy Love. So we're gonna push this again. Alright. Oh yeah, this is like a nice peachy color. Yeah, see that, you guys? Nice peachy color. That one. I love a good peach. Love a good peach. So the last one is this like mauve-y, kind of brown tony one, and this one is called Cool Intentions. So yeah, because it's a cool, like a cool color. So we will really swatch this one. I actually really like, so far from the outside, I like it a lot. It's probably gonna come off. Oh yes. Oh, I need to try this one. Yeah, I've been looking for like a mauve brown, so this one actually I might have to put on my lips for you guys. Look at that. It's like the perfect shade of like nude for me. Definitely gonna try that one. Matter of fact, you guys see? I'm gonna wipe these off and I'll put that brown one on my lips. I'm gonna do it for y'all because I want to see what that brown one looks like on. Yeah, I like that a lot. Guys, they're so smooth. That's what I love about them, is that they go on super smooth. How do you guys feel about this one? Leave me a comment down below, because I love this for just like a natural makeup look like this. Like, this is dope. What do you guys think? Let me know, because I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for my PR package unboxing today. I can do more if you guys want to. I have a PR package from Maybelline waiting. I did open it like a month ago, but I've never made a video about it, so I can do that if you guys want. If you want to see that, let me know. I'll get it up this weekend and try and have it up next week for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. I definitely recommend the new line by NYX, but I recommend NYX overall. I actually consistently use NYX products. I don't know if you guys know this, but behind me, like, I have the contour palette, I use their lip products. Like, I've been using NYX for years, especially when I couldn't afford to buy expensive makeup. I was totally buying NYX. I just highly recommend them for the simple fact that they're affordable and you're still getting quality product. You're not spending a ton of money. And I don't know how long you guys have been watching me. If you're new to my channel, welcome. But you guys know, like, for years I have always pushed affordable makeup products because you can get some of the same results that you would get with higher end brands. Some things are better than others, but at the end of the day, if you know what you're doing, you can honestly still buy NYX and all of these drugstore brands and still create like a great look for yourself. So I highly recommend any NYX products that I have recommended on my videos. If I haven't tried them, I can't recommend them, but for the most part, most NYX products are very good and they're worth the money. Honestly, they're worth it. You're not going to spend a ton. They're a little bit more, I feel like, than drugstore products and less than higher end as far as price goes. Sometimes they're around the same as drugstore products, who knows, but for the most part they're affordable, and that's all that matters. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you guys have any requests or anything, please leave them underneath. Like I said, I'm going to get up more of these videos for y'all because I definitely want to put more, you know, on my channel. Another thing I want to bring up really quickly before we say goodbye, I want to get to 100,000 subscribers. I've never said this on camera, but I've been doing YouTube for like 6 years, you guys, and it's been a minute, almost 7 years now. And I kind of fell off from my channel for a little bit, which I get. But I honestly like set a goal for myself to try and reach 100K by the end of 2018. I definitely think it's possible. I definitely think I could do it. So I'm definitely gonna get more videos out for you guys. I just wanted to set a goal for myself because I haven't really been giving my channel the love that I used to give it. So I told myself, you're gonna give your channel more love and you're gonna reach that 100K by the end of the year. So spread the word encourage you guys, subscribe to my channel if you aren't. I would greatly appreciate it. And tell other people to subscribe. Love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.